Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. A couple of weeks ago, I think I made a video on this that I vectorized, and I had somebody ask me for this, and I had erased it, so I went and got it again. And then just today, I had somebody else ask for it, so I thought I'd save it. It's a pretty cool graphic. I mean, it's a vector ready to go, perfect. So I've added it to my squiggles. And there's 5 pages of squiggles. I designed all these. I got these years ago from Engraving Concepts, and they've collected them through the year. Some of them aren't perfect, like right there, that needs to be fixed. But as you know, I have gone through there and have not fixed them. So just be aware. So I'll put my email at the bottom of the address or bottom of the video. But I thought I'd show how I just went on the internet and I typed in, and I found that Google is by far the best search. But you can see how big this bounding box is, and you can see, so it is a true bitmap. If we take a yellow box, you go up to object, order, back a page, you can see that it's completely white background. So for something like this, I'm going to tilt it and make it kind of semi-flat. But then with it selected, I'm going to get the crop tool, and I'm going to crop it. Just make sure you get everything and crop it, and then make it smaller. I'm going to make it like 3 inches. I truly believe that Corel does a better job and saves Corel time to do this. Then I'm going to go to Trace Bitmap, Outline, Trace, Clip Art. And I just searched flower, and this looks expanded out, but it's not. Flower vine, clip art, black and white, and this came up. Then I'm going to remove background from entire image, and you'll see this white go away. So now it's transparent. So now you have a good vector clip art. And if we take the yellow box trick again, object, order, back a page, you can see that the white is all gone, and it's okay. I need to correct that. I didn't realize that. But this is an easy fix. I'm almost glad this happened. Let's go to object, group, and ungroup it. Instead of trying to get rid of all those little grays, just grab all the black, and all the gray stayed behind. So now, and I'm pretty sure the one I saved on Squiggle, but I'll check it. I will put my email address, and you can do a lot with this and always find out if it's a true vector if we do like this. And you could change it. I mean, you could take a 2-point line and do this right here and take the Smart Fill tool and set it on black or whatever color and fill that in. And now you have a different pattern. And you can always do this, Control D and make a duplicate and then mirror it. And then of course you want to nudge those together. And I find it a lot better if you take it and so let me get rid of the yellow box. Whoop, didn't want to do that. Well, I don't know what's going on. I found it's better to left click, right click, Control D and make a duplicate, holding down the control button and do that right there. And you know, you could even change it from there, but see, that doesn't fit because my angle. But also you could do this, you could mirror this one upside down and then bring this to here and you have a total different vine. And then of course, just take those lines are overlapping. So take your virtual segment delete key and just cut out those lines and then take your Smart Fill tool again and fill that in. And now you have a completely different vector graphic, and you can delete this one because it's in 2 parts, where this is now all in 1 part. Of course, it's a little bit of an angle, but there's a lot you could do with that. Matter of fact, I'm going to put a link to the video that the person the other day was asking off of to make this to do like a frame. but I'll put my email at the bottom of the address. And the squiggles are free. Just ask for them. I'll send them to you. And I saved them in X5 because that's as low as I can save them now. Anyway, hope that helps somebody someday. And thank you for watching.